Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'll be sharing with you my mini notebook haul from Elyse Branne Design. This is my first purchase from this brand, and the artist Elyse creates the prettiest floral prints and has so many of them. I did have to limit myself to just 3 notebooks this time, but it was so difficult to even just pick those. I seriously wanted all of them. If you have any questions about any of the items, feel free to drop a comment down below. Otherwise, please enjoy this stationery unboxing.